unang-una, I'm just very grateful po na yung film namin finally came out. Just because it was such a long process of, well, honestly, we were supposed to work on it 2020, but then the pandemic also happened. And so the project got moved over and over, and to the point na muntik nang hindi mag-a-align. But I'm so happy na we made the time to do it, just because also the story is very, very close to my heart. I portray a public school teacher po, and si Ma'am Alma Talder, her name is Ma'am Alma. She is the one who founded the Lobok Children's Choir from Bohol. And being a Cebuana, I just take so much pride in that. Na parang, I'm so happy that there's so much more stories coming from Visayas and Mindanao as well. And so I'm just happy that we finally got to push through with it. And now in the sense din po with your question po na parang how it has helped me be a performer now, I think I had a newfound respect all the more for just everyone behind the scenes, honestly. Kasi syempre kami as performers, it really does take a village to be able to just be who we want to be also. It takes a lot of help. And in the sense of the Lobok Children's Choir, it took Ma'am Alma to really believe in the kids. Na kahit na they feel like they were in the inferior, she really believed in the kids. And so, I'm very, very grateful na I have such a great team also backing me up, and who have been very, very supportive. I mean, all the different teams that I got to work with throughout my whole career. Everyone's just been super supportive of my goals and my dreams. And so I have a newfound respect for everyone behind the scenes. Not that I didn't have before, pero all the more na-appreciate ko lang sila na grabe din yung pinaghirapan nila just to be able to help you make your dream come true. So, ayun, I've loved being able to do that. Do acting naman. Although I have done some acting stints before when I was starting with TV5, but this was a whole different game, diba? Silver screen, kumbaga, a film. And I'm just very, very happy na I got to do that, we got to push through with it, and we're very grateful for all the recognition that our film has gotten, especially from the Manila International Film Festival. So, you know.